Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for coming back. I know I haven't made a video in a little bit, but I just kind of lost my mojo. I think I've been doing too much Halloween stuff and I overwhelmed myself. So I kind of needed to like step back a little bit, take a breather, and of course, I'm gonna come back. But today's video, as you can see by the title above, is some surprise boo mail that I got from one of my followers, subscribers, friends on Instagram. Her name is Michelle Massey, and I'll have her link down below. She's Crafty Beginnings, I think on YouTube and Instagram, but definitely check her out. I was not expecting this, so it was a super nice surprise, and I want to share with you guys what I got. Now, I did open everything up, so we're just gonna look at it because you guys know that I'm super impatient. And I have my little tray here because you guys know that I love to show it off while the season is here. Plus, it just doesn't look so plain. So let me show you guys what I have over here on this side. She did give me this little gift bag, and it has like some little crinkle paper. And it had some pretty little wands sticking out of it, which I'll show you in a bit. This is one of the first wands that she sent me. How cute it, and look how big it is, you guys. It's like the size of my hand. Isn't that pretty? I love it, the way she did the little ribbon. Cute little polka dot straw. So she sent me that one, and she sent me this one. So like a little bit of the traditional Halloween and pastel-oween. Isn't that pretty with the little skulls and the bows? So cute. And then, let me see if I can find the other one. It's kind of like a little flag. Look how cute, you guys. Isn't that cute? Look at the little owl. It's kind of like a little banner style. So cute. And then, you guys, she sent so many goodies. She sent my daughter some stuff. She sent, where's that? You can't see it. She sent wifey some goodies. She sent my daughter a little body oil. My daughter took it to her room already, so I can't show you guys that. But look how cute. A little bath bomb. Some stamps. That's so sweet of you, girlie. If you're watching, thank you so much. How cute are these little embellishments? She sent me so many cute embellishments, you guys. It's like a little bag filled with goodies. She made me some rosettes. Super cute. She made me some bows. And she did put that these were all little extras, because she did make me some Halloween goodies. Look at these cute little like prize little badges. Super cute. I love the little charms. Look, you guys, cute little ice cream, a little like coffee cup. So cute. I love handmade embellishments. She sent me this cute little card here. Look at that big ticket, you guys. How fun is that? I don't know where she got that. She probably printed it out and made it that big, but that is so fun. Like a bunch of tickets. And then here's some of the Halloween goodies that she sent me. These cute little flowers, like layered flowers. And look how cute she decorated everything. She sent me these little tags. Look how pretty. Look at this rosette, how beautiful. The little rainbow. And then some more little Halloween goodies. Look at the little lantern. Moonlight and magic. So cute. She sent me a card, which I'm not going to open because she left me a little note for me. And then in here, she just put some little die cuts. Yeah, some cute little die cuts that she added in here. And then the last few things is this cute little like altered bottle cap. And then some more little handmade embellishments. so fun. And look, you guys, she sent me like this little chipboard piece. It says it's from Hobby Lobby. And it says boo. And I'm assuming you can like color it and stuff, which is so cute. But yeah, you guys, that was my surprise boo mail from Michelle. If you're watching, thank you so much, girlie. This was so sweet of you. You didn't have to do that, but I totally appreciate it. And before I go, I want to show you guys, I got a die in the mail. It's like a little pocket die. Isn't this cute? So it's like a pocket, and then it has like sunglasses and different things that you can like put in the pocket. I'm going to link it down below so you guys can check it out. It took a while to get here, so I'm glad it's finally here. Maybe like more than 3 weeks, you guys. But I made a cute little card. Look at the little pocket, you guys. I sewed it all the way around. And then I just put like little ghosties on top, like in the inside of the pocket. Isn't that cute? I feel like I need to play around with it a little bit more, but I absolutely love it. So definitely check out that die, you guys. I'm going to have a link down below. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, guys.